Please complete all fields under academic information. For class of, please choose the year that you expect to graduate, not the current year. It is very important that you choose the correct region, New Brunswick, Newark, or Camden. If you do not see your school or major listed, please either pick something close or choose undecided. You will have the opportunity to add notes at the very end of the application. If your exact major is not listed, you could include it then. Continue on to the Federal Work-Study Program status. For job placement purposes, it is very important that you let us know if you will be working both fall and spring, or just fall, or just spring. Please note, if you choose to work only one semester, your award will be reduced by half. For example, if you choose to work in the spring term only and you had received the standard $2,000 award, your award will be reduced to $1,000 since you are only working for one semester. This change will be reflected on your financial aid award letter. In addition, it is important to note that in order to be considered for eligibility in future academic years, all students must meet a minimum earnings requirement, which is usually $700 in earnings over the course of the academic year. If you choose to only work one semester, it may be difficult for you to work enough hours to meet that requirement if you have a heavy course load. You must indicate whether or not you worked through the Federal Work-Study Program at Rutgers in the previous academic year. For new incoming students, the answer will be no. If you are a returning student completing this application, please let us know whether or not you had a Federal Work-Study Program job last year, where you worked, who your supervisor was, and whether or not you would like to go back to the same job. If you choose to go back to the same job, we will assign you accordingly as long as your supervisor did not inform us that they would not be asking you to return. In that case, you would be assigned to a different job based on the information you complete on the rest of the application. If you choose not to go back to the same job, we will assign you to a different job based on the information you complete on the rest of the application. Once you have completed this page, please click Continue.